I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Apple ID is active and any iCloud Mail toggles are set. This avoids conflicts later. Once done, gather the account credentials and server info, IMAP/POP, incoming/outgoing ports, because you'll need them when Mail can't auto-detect. Now open the Mail app or go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, and choose Add Account. You're starting the process immediately so the app can attempt auto-configuration, which speeds setup and reduces manual entries. You'll now either pick your email provider from the list or tap Other for manual setup. The app tries automatic discovery first because it simplifies everything. When prompted, type your full email, password, display name, and a short description so you can find the account later. If auto-detect fails, choose IMAP or POP and enter incoming/outgoing server host names, port numbers, and whether to use SSL. This ensures secure syncing and correct message flow. Make sure settings match your provider to avoid sync errors. After saving, Mail will verify the account. Let it complete because verification confirms connectivity and credentials. Once verified, toggle which items to sync, like Mail, contacts, or notes, so only desired data transfers. You should then send a test message and check that incoming Mail appears in the expected folders. This proves correct server routing. If something goes wrong, first re-enter credentials, ensure SSL and port values match your provider. And if issues persist, restart the iPhone. This often clears transient network or cache problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.